Hello everyone. Welcome to KP classes. Myself Anurag Tripathi. Today we are going to start English for class 10th academic session 2020 and 21. Before moving further, it is quite essential to understand the syllabus and examination pattern of the 2020 and 21 academic session. Okay, now CBSE has released the syllabus for the coming year 2021 examination. So we have to glance at the syllabus and closely viewing the examination pattern as well as the syllabus of 2020 and 21. English language and literature, that is code number 184. Okay, in English we have 3 sections. The written exam means main exam is consist of 80 marks and 20 marks you have to get from the school's internal assessment. Okay, so first of all we have to start. We have 3 sections in the examination pattern. The first section, that is of reading, consists of 20 marks. Second section is of writing skills and contextual grammar, that is of 30 marks. And the third is of text. Okay, means from the prescribed text there is a question. It is also consist of 30 marks. Okay, now we are going to discuss one by one. We will start from the section A, that is reading. Okay, in section A, reading section, we have 2 passages. Okay, both the passages are unseen. Especially in this unseen passage, the comprehension, the understanding is going to be checked. So let us see what type of passage includes the first passage and the first question, where we have a factual passage. Okay, first of all, you have to read the passage. Factual, what do we mean by factual? Factual means that is based on fact. Fact means you understand, तथ्य. Okay, तथ्यात्मक, जो किसी तथ्य पे आधारित हो. जैसे grass is green means that is not subject to change, which is unchangeable, that is called factual. So this type of passage is there in the first question. Okay, you have to read the passage carefully and you have to solve the objective type question. Here objective type question means very short answers question. Here you also have MCQs, all of you are understanding, that is of multiple choice question. Means you have 4 options and in which one of the correct. You have to read the passage carefully and you have to answer 4 objective type question, means very short answers, and 4 multiple choice question, that is of 8 marks. Okay, in second discursive paragraph, you have to understand discursive means description of anything जिसमें किसी चीज का वर्णन किया गया हो. Okay, for example, you have India. There is a description of India, means what is the population, what is the density, what type of people live, etc. This type of passage is of 12 marks. Okay, here also you have 8 questions, but the marks is 12. Okay, in 8 questions, you have 4 short answers question. Means 2 marks of each is equal to 8 marks. Here you have to answer the question. Okay, and 4 objective type of question. In this question you got MCQs. Means This type of very word type of question to check your vocabulary, understanding the passage, etc. Okay, for dealing with the passage, you have to read the very means read the passage very carefully and try to answer to the point. Don't waste your time. Just see the answer and try to find as soon as possible and get to the your answer. Okay, I think this first section is clear. What type question is going to become? In the further, we will read about the reading section. Okay. Next, we come to the section B. Okay. Section B has two parts. Section B has two parts, as you are seeing: writing skills and contextual grammar. Writing skills means how much you are understanding the English language. English language, how much you have depth in the English language. It is going to check with your writing section. Okay, grammar is also there. First section, that is part 1, writing section, we have this sudden change. There is some change in the formal and in the writing section. Previously, we have story writing and article writing and letter. But this year, we have only formal letter and analytical paragraph. Okay, formal letter, as all of you know, there is two type of letter, formal and informal. You have formal letter. Formal letter, to any official letter to any authorities. Like our school is an authority. If you are writing a letter to our principal, that is in the category of formal letter. Other examples are to the letter to the municipal corporation, to the superintendent of police, etc. Okay, it is of 10 marks. In the other video, I will give about the formal letter, how to write. Okay, let's go further. Next question is about the analytical paragraph. Actually, the new word has been added, analytical paragraph. You have to write a paragraph in a analytical way. What is the meaning of analytical? समीक्षा. Okay, किसी चीज की समीक्षा करना means describe the thing. Description in a very, very authentic way, in a very positive way, by giving the balancing approach. In detail, we will give the points in what way. Yeah. Actually, an analytical paragraph and article both are same. Don't forget. Don't think these both are different. Article writing you have in class 9th also or previously. Okay, analytical paragraph and article both are the same. In both we have to give a proper description. Okay, so no need to worry. We will discuss it later. Clear? Okay, now come the grammatical portion. Okay, in grammatical portion, we have these topics. One by one, we have to understand, we have to be a proper understanding of each and every points. Okay, we have tenses, we have modals, we have use of passive voice, subject, verb, concord, reported speech, clauses, determiners, preposition. You have the understanding of these all terms, but we have to go in further. Okay, these are the grammatical topics, but in what way the knowledge of these all topics are going to be checked? This thing is very, very important to understand. Okay, as these are going to be tested through like this type of question: close spaces, gap filling, editing. Okay, dialogue writing, reporting a dialogue. These two portions was not included last 2 years in the CBSE. Okay, but this new portion has been re-added, or we can say re-included. So we have to understand dialogue writing and reporting a dialogue. Okay, by this we are going to test the knowledge, your depth of these all topics of the grammar. Okay, next and the last, okay, important topic, that is of section C, that is of text. Text, you understand, the books is going to be prescribed in your course, that is First Flight and Footprints Without Feet. These two texts, the first flight is English Reader, and the second Footprints Without Feet is the supplementary. Okay, now what type of question is going to come with these two texts? That is of first two extract best, 4 marks. 4 marks question is based on the extract, means two extract has been given from the text and you have to answer. Okay, 5 short answers question of 10 marks, means 2 marks of each. There is option also, means I think out of 7 question you have to attempt 5. Okay, 2 long answers question, one from the First Flight and one from the Footprints. Here also you will get the option. Okay, so if you plan smartly your syllabus by having the understanding of each and examination pattern, when you go through all the study, there is no problem to get more than 95% marks in English. Okay, this is the examination pattern which you have to be strict. These two books, First Flight and Footprints Without Feet, due to lockdown you are not finding in the shop, but there is various links like CBSE Academic and like SWAM and like other. You will get these two books in the PDF. Okay, one by one I will deal all the chapters in my next classes. Okay, after that we are going to discuss about the internal assessment. Internal assessment is of 20 marks. It is on your class performance, means your teacher, your subjective teacher is going to give. For this you have to give the speaking assessment as well as the listening assessment. Beside this you have to prepare your copy well. You have to be responsible in your class, means your performance in the time to time test. Okay, all are including, overall includes the 20 marks. Okay, you are understanding now? Means if we are analyze the syllabus, then we got one thing, for changing the skills of language, the paper is divided into 4 sections. Okay, 4 section, 3 section through written and 4 section from the internal assessment. 4 skills, that is of listening, speaking, reading and writing. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Reading first, writing second, and from third, written and okay. Means if you focus carefully to all portion, you will get the idea of the paper. Okay, now hope you will understand the chapters, means your syllabus. You can get the syllabus by the cbse.nic.in in the academic session. Okay, means you have to plan, you have to be strict and collect your material and start studying. From the next part we are going to start our class. Hope you will understand the examination pattern, and from next we will read one by one each chapter. Okay, if you have any doubt or any question, you can ask in comment box. Okay, hope you will understand. Okay, thank you.